A man who spent more than 3 decades safely transporting passengers across Karnataka has now completed his final journey behind the wheel. Veteran KSRTC Volvo driver Joseph Machado retired after 34 years of service, earning admiration from passengers, colleagues, and officials alike for his dedication and discipline. Colleagues said he maintained an exceptional service record throughout his career. He was known for punctuality, safe driving, and a friendly attitude towards passengers. Operating on the Mangaluru-Bangalore route, Machado became a familiar and trusted face with thousands of regular commuters over the years. A farewell program held ahead of his retirement witnessed an emotional response from depot staff, fellow employees, and passengers who gathered to honor his contribution to public transport. KSRTC officials and colleagues described him as a role model whose commitment to service reflected the values of the corporation. With his retirement, KSRTC bids farewell to one of its most respected drivers, while passengers remember a man who made everyday journey safe and comfortable.